be opening my BoxyCharm box, and this is my third box from them, and I'm going to show you what I got. So let's get this video started, and sorry for the glare in my glasses. So it comes with this, like it talks about the makeup eraser, and then this just talks about, like, you know, what it cost and basically what it does. So the first item I'm going to pull out is Superfoods Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. I don't know if I said that correctly, but if I said it wrong, just let me know. So it is supposed to be $32. So the unique foaming cleanser is packed with nourishing superfoods to help calm and hydrate skin while lifting makeup, dirt, and grime. This soothing formula helps to comfort skin caused by dehydration and leave skin with a fresh looking complexion. Now got these brushes, makeup brushes. They are really pretty. If I can get them out. So yeah, so this is what they look like. Really pretty. And that is, let's see, okay, that is supposed to be $29.99, so basically $30. A must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday, more dramatic look. And then this I already opened, but it's the Illuminate. If I said that wrong, just let me know in the comments. They're gel paint, electric blue, and electric pink. So I'll show you what's this one. Alright. And here's this one. I don't know if I'll be using these because I'm not used to having, like, I don't know if it's supposed to be eyeliner or not, but I don't know. But I don't know if I'll use that or not. We'll see. So gel paint duo in electric pink and blue. Electrify your look with this gel paint, electric pink and electric blue. Wing it out for a dramatic look or pop it in the inner corners of your eyes for a bold look. Oh, I didn't even say how much it was supposed to. That is $42. And then I got the Professional, which soothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. So I got that. Let's open it to see. So basically, looks like that. And that was $32. Quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky, lightweight balm alone under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals. Cutie, I am making a video and you are in the way. And then I got these beauty sponges. You like these sponges, huh, cutie? You like them? So I got these. And I already have sponges, so I'll probably use those ones instead. I don't really need these. I'll probably give them to somebody. yeah, that's supposed to be $20. So, these beauty sponges are specially designed to be versatile all-over sponges for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for fuller coverage. Yeah, and the reason why I'm doing this close-up because my camera was like, stuff is too full on your phone, yada yada yada, so I had to delete something.